Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So AMC, the overall market was a choppy day. It's been a choppy month. We already know what to expect. The Fed is trying everything in their power to get retail investors up out of some positions before sending the market flying, just to bring it right back down once retail investors rush in and buy once they see the market soaring, just to make them lose money as the market come right back down, head into a bearish market once more, then before rerouting and going into a bullish market, guys. So that's exactly how I believe the market is going to play out. But as we know, the unexpected can happen. Who knows, guys? They could have the market down as bad as it's been down for the past months and months and months. And once this thing starts to go up, it could go up and stay up and continue to go, even if the economy is not back on up and up and back at a standstill how we expect it to be. That's what I'm saying, guys. I'm prepared for the unexpected. That's why I'm taking full advantage of this cheap market, guys. I'm talking about people is going to be able to make, 2, 3, 4, 5x, some 10x on their money in a matter of months whenever the market decides to reverse. So let's go and take a look at what's going on, guys. So AMC ended the day at $6.40, down over 2.08%. The after hours, we try to get back towards the end of the day a little bit, guys, but couldn't quite get over that $6.40 barrier. We ended right near resistance. We topped 640 at lunchtime, at power hour, and after hours, right around the last hour of the day, but we couldn't get over 640. Good thing we ended at 640, what we couldn't get over, giving us an easier barrier to get over it tomorrow. We won't have much, it won't take much buying pressure to get us over it and then to go green. And then once we go green, guys, our main point that we need to get through is $6.64, $6.70. Once AMC crack above 660, 670, this thing is going to heat up quick. And that's going to cause a lot of FOMO, a lot of millionaires and billionaires to pour in millions of dollars to help push us even further. To then, they're going to sell off eventually. But from that boost from all their capital is going to drive in more retail investors that continue to have the domino effect and get AMC back into the trending stocks, guys. So let's go and take a look at it and see what's going on. So as we know, the overall market did do exactly what I was intending for it to do today. Told you guys we should have an awesome week on this week. The market should open up very bullish in AMC. But as we know, I told you guys I also expect for the market to start separating itself, meaning we're going to have certain individual securities flying, some being stagnant, and some actually declining during these times. And I hate to say, but that was AMC on today. One of the stocks that was basically stagnant, in partially declining, while the rest of the market was actually doing very well, guys, quite well. And not everything, but certain individual stocks. Like we made good money on Snapchat today, over 70%. A lot of other members made over 50 and 60%. Snapchat was up over 10% at its peak today, and still up over 7% at the close. And we got in, got out, and then got right back in, and you was able to make more money again. But anyways, guys, we have certain individual stocks performing fairly well on today. Apple was up on today as well. Apple will be reporting earnings on the 27th, around Thursday of this week, guys, and it's already running up in anticipation of a good earnings. But we know Apple is cutting back on production of the iPhone 14, so the earnings might not be as people is expecting to be, from my opinion. Then for the fact that we is in a recession, consumer spending has slowed up a bit, even though they try to say we're not in a recession, but consumer spending has slowed up. That's giving us an indication that we're in a recession when people aren't consuming as they was before. The money supply slows up. Also, whenever you see companies like Twitter, like Elon Musk is about to cut off 75% of the staff, Carvana cut off a lot of their staff, a lot of these other big companies cut off a large percentage of their staff, guys, due to them having an abundance of supply. Like Walmart, a lot of these other companies, they have so much inventory that they have to stop ordering stuff and get rid of what they already have. So as you know, and they're also going to cause some business that's not far ahead and have the cushion to continue to do business. The ones that don't have the cushion is going to have to lay off employees, and that's all part of a recession, guys. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on. So we also know what took a hit on our market today. We could have seen even more stocks up flying today if China market didn't take a huge hit today. China market hit its lowest point since the financial crisis 2009. It got hit so hard today. And of course, like I say, guys, other markets isn't necessarily going to 100% guarantee our market is going to do what their market is doing. But whenever something drastic happened in a certain market, just as in the Forex market, whenever the dollar fell against the British pound worse than it did in, decades, it had it had an effect on our market. Just as if crypto, Bitcoin, go up 30% or drop 30%, it's going to have an effect on the stock market. Just as if China market or a whole nother market have a crazy pullback, in which China market did, coming down to the lowest level since the financial crisis of 2009, is going to have an effect on other markets as well, guys. Like I told you guys, we just use it as a little homework, but not as 100% of what's going to happen. So anyways, going into tomorrow, guys, I am expecting for this to be a nice week overall. Of course, choppy, a lot of back and forth, but we do have earnings coming up for Apple, Microsoft. Microsoft will report earnings tomorrow. Hopefully Microsoft report strong earnings. That's going to help push the overall market up as well, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. Watch out for spam, WhatsApp, all that below. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.